would you like to introduce yourself first?
Sure, sure. So my name is Tanushka Mishra. I am from Odisha, currently living in Bangalore, Karnataka, and I completed my graduation in Odisha. After that, I did my MBA in 2021 in Odisha, and I'm a married person, and I'm a one baby mother. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I love to do reading and traveling, shopping, playing badminton. So yeah, that's a little bit about me.
Wow, great
Oh,
introduction. So you're from
amazing.
Bangalore, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Currently living in Bangalore, but I am from Odisha. My hometown
Oh,
is Odisha. Yeah.
yeah, I got it. I got your conception. So if
Yes.
you don't mind, can we introduce ourselves?
Yes, yes, sure, sure.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this me the opportunity. So this is Maliha Binte Masood. I study in 8th standard. If I talk about my family, so it's a nuclear family. There are 4 members in my family: my parents, me, and my brother. And you'll be glad to know that we're siblings as well as we're twins. We both studies 8th standard. Or if I talk about my country, so as a neighbor country, I think that you have a little bit idea about our country, Bangladesh, where right now we are living. So this is my motherland. Our native language is Bangla. So most of the people who live in Bangladesh, but some people also know that according to their language, they can speak English. Or if I talk that I like it so much and I love so much, that's why we are also connected here today with you. And I like it so much. That's why I'm also speak very well. So this is it about me.
That's nice. That's very nice. Somehow, some network issue is there, I think, because your sound is somehow break it. When you are talking at that time.
Yeah, you're also when you're talking, sometimes your sound is also breaking and your screen. I think
Yeah.
this app has
I think this is some network issues, right?
maybe. So,
Okay. Am
ma'am,
I audible right now?
Yes, we can
Okay.
hear you.
okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, would you like to share with us that about your English journey? That how long have you been using this language English as your passionate? Also, where did you get the conception? I mean, idea of learning this language English. Also, who motivated you to do that? Please, would you like to share your English journey with us?
Yes, yes, sure. So I have been learning this language since it was 1 year ago, and I was not at all consistent at that time. And right now, before 1 month ago, I was consistently practicing my English skill, and I do a one subscription at English Yari to enhance my English speaking skills with the very good tutors there. So yeah, uh, right now I'm consistent.
Oh, that's really good
Yeah.
because you are using a great application and you are making conversation like this. It is really helping you very much, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. So I want to know about your English journey. You both are like very pretty, each other. So you guys are siblings, right?
Yes, we are
Yes,
siblings.
ma'am.
We
We're
are twins.
siblings
That's
as well as twins.
that's so good. That's so good. So I want to know about your English journey.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually speaking, to be honest, we have been learning this language English as a spoken English for it's been about 2 years. And before 2 years, in 2023, when we started in class six, in that time our father told us and also motivated us to learn this language. And we watched so many video and we watched so many people that they are speaking to faster, fluently than native speaker on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, like this social media. So in the time we decided that it's really quite different and really very you can say exceptional and a popular language in the world, and we should learn this. And I think that English is one of the greatest things that we can learn and that can boost our career besides our studies. So that's why we have taken it our passionate and. For a long time, we have been making this type of conversation with Indian people. I think it is really helping us very much. So this is it, and we have been learning English for about 2 years.
That's very good, and you are speaking very well. Like your fluency is amazing.
Thank you so much. You're also great. You're really speaking too much, and you're really speaking too fluently. So, if you have
Yeah.
any question, you can ask my sister or me.
Yeah. Sure, sure. So, and how long you are practicing this English speaking skill? Your name is Maliha, right?
Yes, ma'am, your pronounce is correct. My name is Maliha.
Maliha, right? Okay, okay. So, how long you been like learning this English skill, speaking skill?
To be honest, I have been learning this English about 2 years.
Okay, okay. That's good. That's good. So, what you are doing for practicing this English skill for every day? Like you are doing some like have you guys are using any application or like a website to improve your English or you are doing in your own to learn this language?
Oh, for our English development, nowadays we don't do anything actually. You know very well that we're students, so as a student, we have a lot of study, so that's why we don't do anything. Just lack of time, we cannot do anything, any technology. But it's lucky for us that now we're connecting with people, different people, so we're having conversation. This is an amazing term. But if I talk about my past journey that I left, actually, when I started my English journey, from that time, I just listened a lot English blog video, some conversations video, and that was enough for me. And then from that time, I just listened a lot, and I was trying to write a lot of things. After that, I can speak a little bit. This way, I just learned. But
That's
nowadays,
good.
anything. So now we're just having conversation like this.
Okay, so yeah, conversation. I think this kind of conversation helps me to grow in this language. I must say, yeah, it
Yeah,
helps me to. Yeah,
yeah, you are right, ma'am. You are right. Truly speaking, making conversation is really helping English learners to improve their spoken English. Because in
yes,
this conversation, face video call, we can ideally face to face, we can talk even with live chatting. So it is really good for us, and we can remove shyness and it builds our confidence level as well as we can practice. And to be honest, ma'am, to learn this language English, we didn't do any kind of we didn't join any kind of course or online website or application. We have just learned this language by making this type of conversation on Zoom or this type of platforms as well as by practicing ourselves.
that's very good, very amazing. And how have you been like posting these kind of conversational videos in YouTube?
We made fast our conversation in February 2024. 2024. We started. It's been more than 1 year, 1.5 years. So it's really a great journey for us because we have talked about 200 people from India and we have learned a lot of things from them, how to communicate with people. And one thing I will tell you that if we couldn't connect one of them, we can't say that how to communicate with others, how to greet someone, also how to make some conversation and dialogues between someone. So I think that Indian people is really cordial and very supportive for us. That's how we can do that.
That's very good, outstanding. Actually, like I recently started a YouTube channel, so I recently posted these kind of conversational videos. So, like this is very good. I must say, like you are from Bangladesh and I am from Odisha. We are just connecting because of the English language, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am. You
it was very good, and I am very happy to connect with you guys.
So,
And yeah, is there any question for me?
Yes, ma'am, you're right that because of this language, we're connecting different words. And I also tell you that I love so much Indian people. I like them so much because they're so sweet talkers and their behavior is really amazing. We cannot say it, but I like so much them. They're also so supportive. They always support us all the time. They're my well wishers.
so ma'am, would you like to share with us as we are connecting? You don't know our mother tongue, and we also don't know about your mother tongue. So would you like to share with us what's your mother tongue and how many languages can you speak in still now?
You know our mother tongue.
No, I don't know about your mother tongue. What's your mother tongue, and how many languages can you speak?
Okay, okay. My mother tongue is Odia. Actually, I am from Odisha, but recently I am I stay in Bangalore. So I will speak English, Hindi, Odia only.
Oh, that's really good. That's really good that
Yes,
you can.
yes. So yeah. So you guys are speak Bengali, right?
Yeah, you're right. How did you know that?
Yeah, I know about Bangladesh people. They are speaking Bengali, right?
Yeah, yeah, you're right. In West Bengal, in full Bangladesh, also some of the part of Bihar, Orissa, and Jharkhand, the people also speak in Bengali.
So,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
what?
So
So, what
yeah,
do you
I
think?
understand Bengali, but I can't speak.
What do you think about our native language? And do you think that it is listening so amazing?
Can you repeat again your question?
Sure, ma'am. You know a little bit about our native language. So, what do you think that this is a great or not?
Yeah, our native language is very good, but nowadays English is mandatory to know, understand, and it is very much good for the career. You know, everyone should
Yeah,
know this language. For that reason, everyone know this language. And the thing is, we can connect because of the English, right? So this is the best. I must say this is the best thing. Forever, like for this language we can connect with world over the people,
yeah,
so
exactly.
yeah, so for that reason English is is a global language and everyone should learn this language, I must say.
Yeah, you're right. You're right because your mother tongue is Hindi or Oda. I don't know exactly what's the name and what's the spelling, but I can say that your mother tongue is different. Also, my mother tongue is different. We cannot talk to each other because we
Yes,
don't. We can't communicate. There is no you can say, communication system. But English matters that communication system that we can use all the world, like with the Russian people, with also Japanese people, even with the Indian people, we can talk through this language. And in our country, you can say I can say that India and all over the world, you can see most of the countries is if you take want to take any kind of job, you must need to have some great skills, right? Listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and so is important and skilled in English language. Then they will take you. Otherwise, they won't take you. So through this, you can understand that English is really very important in our daily life.
yes, yes, and your accent is too good. Not like Indian accent, it is like I can say it is like American accent. But yeah, but it is difficult to understand, you speak very fast.
Oh, actually, truly speaking, ma'am, I'm trying to learn American accent, and every single day, 24 hours at my house, with my parents, with my tutors, I all of them speak English. So that's why a little bit something came. And some people, you can say, whenever I go to any kind of people to talk, they ask me, how did you conquer, how did you achieve this accent? But I exactly don't know how did they achieve this accent. I just practice every single day, and through this, automatically, it came in myself. I even
That's
don't know how to
very
do
good, very good. It's amazing, I must say. Yeah,
it.
yeah. So, what is your future plan? Like, uh, like you are growing YouTube, or what other plans to learn this language?
Yeah, exactly. We are running YouTube channel and having this sort of conversation that we're practicing ourselves. And truly speaking, every person has a great desire to become something, to become a great thing. So we also, first, we also want to conquer this language as well as to speak English as a native speaker, as well as we want to go to abroad for our study. And we want to, I want to, especially talking about myself, I want to become an engineer.
Oh wow, nice, nice, nice. And what do you want, Maliha? What do you want to become in future?
Oh, really? Actually, if I talk about me, I like so much doctor profession. So in future, I'd like to become a doctor.
Oh, that's very nice, very nice. And
Yeah.
I was actually nervous when I see the blood actually. And when I go to hospital, I was very nervous. Whenever I go hospital, I feel like no, this is not my place. So it is very, very, very good thing. You know, you are, very courageous to, do that determination that you want to become a doctor. That's very
Yeah,
nice.
I think it is. It is.
Yeah.
Okay. If you don't mind, can we hang up this phone for today, wrap up this session, because we have talked about it more than 20 minutes, I think, and it's been a long time, and we have also our studies, home tasks, our school. So I think that
Yes,
we should
yes.
finish.
Sure, sure, sure. It was very good talk with you guys.
So one question I'd like to ask you.
Yes.
I want to tell that I mean that you love traveling, right?
Yes, yes. I love traveling. Yes.
Do you want to visit Bangladesh, our country?
Yes, sure. If it is possible for the future, then I can go there. Yes, sure.
I just inviting you that if you have any opportunity, you can come here.
Oh, that's very good. Thank you so much for inviting me. If it is possible in the future, I will go for the sure. Go that your country for sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you
Okay.
so much for attending this session, and it was lovely conversation with you guys. So yeah,
Yeah, thank
take
you
care.
for giving us your valuable time. Thank you so much. You are too cordial and too much supportive for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.
Here. Goodbye.